Hey guys, my partners and I are going to help you solve this physics problem, and this problem goes like this. A motor lifts a 1,000 kilogram elevator, a height of 100 meters, at constant speed in 50 seconds. And this question is basically asking how much work is done by the motor and how much power did the motor supply. And the first thing that you have to do for these kinds of questions is draw a diagram, which would help you picture the question. And so we drew a motor up here pulling up the elevator, which weighs 1,000 kilograms. And the distance from the elevator and the motor is 100 meters, and it is going at a rate of at a constant rate for 50 seconds.
So the first thing it's asking us is to find work. And we know work equals force times distance. But we know we have distance, which is 100 meters. What we don't have is force. We could find force by getting F equals m times g, which is mass times gravity. We know mass of the elevator is 1,000 kilograms, and we know gravity is 9.81 meters per second squared. When you multiply both, you end up getting 9,810 newtons. Now that we solved for the force, we can now solve for work. So we know work is force times distance. We just solved for force, which is 9,810 newtons. And now we just multiply it by the distance, which is 100 meters. And that should equal 981,000 joules. So the second part of the question is asking us how much power did the motor supply. So to find the power, we know power equals work over time. Since we just found work right now, we know that work is 981,000 joules over time, which is given, which is 50 seconds. And when you divide the two, you end up getting 19,620 watts.